I'm going to replace the zipper on this leather jacket. Yes, I am. You know why? I'm confident I can do it because I have the industrial machine that can handle such a project with its rip-roaring motor. You can do this too if you have a machine from back in the day that's sturdy enough to do it. You'd want to, of course, experiment on pleather or something like that before attempting a job like this. But I've set this ambitious project to music. Enjoy it, and I'll show you how this is done. Finding value so far, please give us a like, share it, and we'd just love to have you subscribe. Hey superhero, now move on to either one of these videos created especially to help you.